Based in Storrington, West Sussex, Epal Engineering are specialists in wire and spark erosion. The company was formed in 1987 and has a highly skilled workforce with state-of-the-art modern, accurate machinery. We have a range of full CNC equipment, which is complemented by traditional milling and turning conventional machinery. Epal Engineering are proud to be able to deliver exactly what our customers want when they want it. Continuous improvement is an inherent part of our company's production facilities, and we are keen to offer our customers the very best in quality and service. Our highly skilled workforce have a wealth of experience in the machining and tool-making industry and offer a wide range of services, including wire and spark erosion, EDM machining, surface and cylindrical grinding, plastic injection mold making, turning, milling, welding and fabrication and prototype machining. Epal Engineering offer a one-stop shop with fast turnaround times coupled with cost-effective prices. Our engineers work closely with customers who appreciate the high quality of engineering and service provided. Our company's flexibility means that we can meet tight delivery schedules, and this is the reason why we are the preferred supplier to many of our customers in the petrochemical, motorsport, aerospace, defense, audio, plastic injection molding, scientific, and nanotechnology industries. If you require quality components at competitive prices and customer service is integral to your business, please call us for a quotation or request a factory visit. We look forward to discussing your requirements.